This is Electric Universe Geology Earth News. Someone on the comments section of the the YouTube videos, asked me about Cape Town in this area around here and all of these mountains. And I've written about this before, but I've decided it would make a good video. This area right here is particularly interesting. It reminds me something of Diamond Head in Hawaii. I'll show images of that later. But there's a photograph of this that I did not take, of course. It's from, I think, an aerial from somebody down there. So let's look at that photograph real quick. I'll have a link to this and a website that goes with it at the bottom of the video. But what we have here, to me, is a bowl. It seems to go around, it's circular. I would imagine that this was water at one time, so it wasn't able to complete the circle. This was probably underwater too. But this looks like windward, the water ski ramp, and this looks like leeward. I'm assuming it's leeward on the inside here. This seems to have a water ski ramp facing towards the east-northeast with leeward on this side. All of these seem to have leeward facing the south. The wind seems to have been coming from the north, water ski ramps to the north, cliffs to the south, leeward. I'll have the Wikipedia standard explanation for all of this with hundreds of millions of years involved. But it seems to be electrical. It seems to be filamentary. These, what I refer to as filaments, are so interesting. They remind me of places north of Las Vegas where I see similar looking mountains. I don't think that these are the standard geologic explanation. I think these are electrical in nature. I think that they go with this vortex. Let's look at Oahu right now real quick. Here we have Diamond Head on Oahu. I don't think this has anything to do with a volcano at all. I believe it's a vortex. I believe the windward is on the outside, leeward is on the inside. It's kind of similar to South Africa, except this is a complete circle because it was dry. Where in South Africa, it seems like the southwest section was open and wet. That's why it's not a complete circle. Let's zoom out here so we can get some perspective. See, I think all of this is windward on the west-southwest and leeward where the cliffs are on the east. Over here, the cliffs seem to be on the southeast. So the wind changes to a degree. Here, the cliffs are actually facing more to the east-southeast. It swings around in a circle. So this is facing north, this is facing southeast. It's not linear, it's not straight, it's circular. So yes, that's a whole different way of looking at Hawaii in a non-volcanic sense. In this instance, of course, there are volcanoes, but I don't think these are. And I've talked to people who've lived there, and they don't think they're volcanoes either. Here we have Las Vegas, right here. And these are the mountains directly north. And they remind me of the filamentary mountains in South Africa. They look similar. I think they're laid down quickly, extremely quickly, during an electrical event. So it may or may not be connected, but I think it's connected, in my humble opinion. So again, there'll be a link for the standard explanation at the bottom of the video. And please enjoy it. Thank you.